Art means happiness. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Now my name is Manisha and today we are talking a few things about art. I'm really excited about that. If you're wondering what is in my channel, I'll add some cards. You can go and check on those, and my Instagram links would be in the description below. In short, I'll add a lot of stuff. Speaking of which, if you are new to this channel and you love art, consider subscribing. You know YouTube offers a two-way interaction. How is it possible? Yes, the comment section below. You can let me know what else you want me to draw and what else you want to learn. I'll definitely get back to you. Now the first thing I gotta mention is a lot of people are crazy about art. What they usually do, they'll grab a picture and start copying. That's not a bad thing to do, but if you are a beginner, consider starting from basics. So I'll cut the chase and start. I'll show you practical ways to start a charcoal drawing, and the best part is it doesn't include any expertise. The important thing is to accept that mistakes do gonna happen. However, you can always go back and forth to get what you want. What you need is a charcoal pencil. This is a little one. You have to take a bigger one. Okay. A brush or a few brushes, but a thick one. And few rags. Few rags. I use a lot of rags. Also, I'm going to talk about the grip. You don't have to use pencil grip like that. No. You have to use it like this. I use this one, a brush. So you are not going to use it like this. Not like this. You will use it like that. Like this and like that. And a hairspray. Any hairspray would do. The basic purpose is to fix the drawing. So if we apply charcoal on it, after a while it won't take any more charcoal. After the hairspray, it can take more charcoal, so you can make your drawing more darker. We will start now. Here you can see I have started my charcoal drawing with loose marks. I'm thinking more about the tone and the form rather than focusing on the outline. Hence, the first thing you need to start a charcoal drawing is to be a bit loose at the beginning. I'm still working on the form here. Thus, the second important thing is to think about the form and the tone. I'm not using precise outlines here. It has its own benefits, which is I can always come back and make changes if needed. Now, the next thing I'm doing is to use a brush or a rag to blend and to give it a shade. I have added the reference picture on the top right corner. However, I am doing it through direct observation. I use rags and brushes many times when I am doing my charcoal drawing. The third important point is not to add details until you are halfway or nearly at the end of your drawing. The funny story about my style of drawing is it always looks messy at the beginning and people wonder what would it look like once finished. You would think, why would I keep blending and drawing over and over again? The answer is it helps in building the tone. The last important point is to think about your lights and darks and anything in between. In this drawing, the darkest shade is the background behind the cup. The mid-tone is the box on which the cup is sitting. The light is the cup, and the lightest part is the reflection on the cup. Hence, when you are drawing, you can make a mental note or write it somewhere so that it would remind you of your darkest and lightest part. I insist that you should not fast forward or skip the parts of the video, or else you would lose any vital information or you have to come back and watch the video again. Let me know in your comments if you would need more information or how did you find this tutorial. And if you learned something from this tutorial, consider subscribing and liking. I have given all the information needed for a charcoal drawing. Now you can watch the process. Thank you.
that and check out on what's going on in my channel. I suppose I said everything what I needed to say. So bye, see you on the next video. Bye.